Today we're showing you a 2020 John Deere 5065E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive open operator station tractor. Tractor has just over 50 hours on it. It's practically a new tractor. It does come with the balance of the factory warranty, which runs into 2025. We have a number of these tractors. Check our website for current stock on them. We had several come in off of a solar project where they were reseeding the fields, so it had very low hours on them. Again, they're practically new tractors, and again come with the balance of the factory warranty. They do have the loader joystick, so you can easily add a loader to the tractor if desired. We also do have some new loaders available here in stock. Also have some used loaders occasionally. There's your loader joystick right there. They do have the 12-speed transmission with the power reverser, which allows for direction change without clutching. Tractors also have the cold weather package with the block heater and the preheat, also the 540 and 540E PTO. 3 ranges here to the left of the seat, 4 gears over there to the right. Gives you that 12-speed transmission, and again just under or just over 50 hours. Looks like 65 on the tractor. We do also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange shipping anywhere here within the U.S. If you have questions regarding this tractor or any of our other tractors on our yard, we have approximately 120 to 130 used tractors on our yard. Please feel free to contact us or visit us on the web at masttractor.com.